All right, hi guys, I'm Wiley.
And I'm Trin.
And we are back today with our student council president.
Hi everyone, I'm Yarely.
Hey, so we just wanted to talk to you about prom coming up because that is this Saturday, yeah?
Yes, it is. Very exciting. Very stressed though, not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, I bet. All right, so can you tell us a bit about the theme for prom and why you guys decided on that theme?
Well, this year we chose to do Once Upon a Prom, and just because we kind of wanted to go with that fairy tale theme, and just because it's like senior year and stuff, we like leading into like going back in time, like remembering like your like childhood, kind of like what we did last year, like season finale. We kind of wanted to lead more into like those kind of themes, just because we want the seniors to be able to reminisce back on like what when they were younger and stuff.
Awesome.
So do you want to talk about like a little bit of the planning that's going into prom?
Yeah. Okay, so we recently had our idea share, so that kind of took up most of our time. So right now, it being like prom week, we're kind of like back to back on everything. We're kind of behind on stuff and everything, but we're doing really good catching up on everything. And we just finished our prom set for like the assembly, so we had to build that. And then it's really cute actually. It's like a castle, so like it's so like cool. 3 boxes. It's really cute. You guys will see it.
Yes.
It's so cute. And then we planned the Spirit Week a while back. I'm pretty sure it was before like even April. Like we've had it planned for a while. And then besides like Spirit Week and everything, right now we're just planning the assembly and planning out who we're gonna have in the assembly, running it, blocking it, and everything.
Awesome. So how long do you guys rehearse for the assemblies?
Usually we do it the week of, like we'll run it in the classroom, so we'll block it inside the classroom based on how the gym is. Pomo kind of tells us where to stand, where to go. And we'll run it through with like our music, because we have like, we connect it to the speaker, and then we run it through, we read the like our script and just make sure that we have everything in line. That's pretty much how we like practice for the assembly. And then the day of the assembly, we have to be here earlier just so that we can run it through with everybody that's in the assembly, like dance, if like theater's in it, choir, JRTC, we just make sure that they know what they're doing and stuff. So yeah, that's what we do.
That's awesome.
So what are you most excited for this week?
Prom assembly. I feel like this year, since we're doing so much in it, it's gonna be a long assembly just because we have a whole bunch of different things in it. And then this year it's not just gonna be juniors and seniors, because usually for prom assembly it's just juniors and seniors. So it's gonna be like also freshmen and sophomores. But I feel like that's what I'm more excited about, just because like it is our last year, you know, and just being able to like have that and seeing like the assembly one last time and doing it one last time is actually really exciting.
Yeah, for sure.
So do you guys get to choose the location for prom?
The location for prom, I think we book it like a year in advance, just because they book fast. They book pretty fast. So Pomo, like, she pretty much already has like all of that set up for us. So we just have to do the planning, and then like the venue or whatever, they kind of just do what they have to do, and then we'll go like view it and stuff, and then they'll just tell us like what's not allowed, what is allowed, you know. But yeah, pretty much it's already booked by the time we're planning prom.
Awesome. That's good. So do you have any plans like personally for prom? Are you going with like a group of friends? Do you have like a prom date?
My boyfriend actually.
Nice.
He lives in Santan, so I mean he lives kind of far, but I kind of forced him to go with me, not gonna lie. He didn't want to, but I was like, if you don't go with me, I'm gonna be mad at you and I'm not gonna talk to you anymore. And he was like, okay, fine, I'll go with you. And I was like, okay. So since he went with me last year, he was like, I already went last year, why do I have to go this year? And I was like, because kid, it's my senior year, you have to go with me.
Literally.
Yeah, and he was like, okay, fine. So, but I'm going with him, and then I'm going with 2 other of my friends. Do you guys have anyone who you're going with? Are you guys going to prom?
I'm going with my girlfriend. I don't know. Are you going, Trin?
I'm not going.
But
yeah.
Are you gonna plan like your own dance outside of it? Or just...
Yeah, actually.
Nice.
That's
my
cool.
friends and I considered that, but then we were like, we might as well go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be fun. I'm excited.
Because, I mean, for me, since, like, before student council, I was never really into all these, like, type of dances and stuff. But, like, going into student council, I'm like, you know what? Like, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Yeah.
I was like, even if I'm not there the whole night, just, like, to go see it, you know, see how it is, have fun a little bit, and then leave. It's like, it's fine, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I tell myself. That's what I tell my boyfriend, because he doesn't like doing school activities. Let me tell you that.
All right. Well, I think that's it for our interview. Thank you so much for coming down
good.
today.
Of course.
Yeah, so excited. Prom is on the 29th from 7 to 10 p.m.
Yep.
And we can get more information on the Red Mountain Student Council page on Instagram, right?
Correct.
Awesome. And now we're going to move on to announcements. Attention all AP students. AP exams start next week, but come join us this Friday after school before the student-faculty basketball game, 4 to 6 p.m., and get hyped and celebrate all the hard work you've done this year to prepare for your exams. We'll have music and games and survival kit drawings as well as food trucks. You deserve this celebration.
Mountain Lions, with issues like climate change and the refugee crisis facing the world today, it can be difficult for high schoolers to make a meaningful difference. In Model UN, you can represent a country to address real-world problems head-on in a mock debate format, mirroring the real United Nations. Meetings are every Monday from 3:30 to 4:30 in Miss Kuropatkin's room 242, and we'll see you there.
Club Diversity meets today during both lunches in room 252 at 11:50 and 12:45. Come learn how to make a difference in your community. If you have any questions, see Senor Harama in room 255 or Mr. Wedden in room 284. And that is it for your announcements today, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Adios.